ST, what I represent. NY, hold it down for my peeps in the Ville and do or die for the record, let it be known. Chrome conceal, and any one of these niggas can blow your grill. Show your skill, you want more? Hold your steel. You want more? Unload text, you all can feel. Raw deal, you all peel, run for the hills, run for your shields, the battlefields, blasting at will.
Smoke dog, you know my name, I'll be the same till the day that I'm laid down. Niggas push me to the point, got a spray round. Taking street like for a game, acting like clowns. Always playing, you ain't busting off, just shooting the breeze. Cause you scared of the repercussion after we squeeze. You ain't been through what I did just to get where I'm at. Streets where I rap and BK where I be at. Cause Brooklyn where we live at. Juggling in the trap.
Handling them big cats. My army got my big at.
I'm a Brooklyn survivor. These streets is hotter than lava. Toxic the lava, burn you like fire. I'm a BK, BC, ST, smoking Nestle with a chick in a GS tree. Or Missy so sexy,
but she's a bitch.
Chill, shorty, you can't play me. I'm a general, baby. What? You crazy? Bucktown where niggas be acting so shady.
Welcome to Brooklyn, where we send shots through your fitteds. Rock two-tone, do-rags and whips is kidded. I love the shit.